Hey Glam Squad, what's up? Happy spring to all of you. I hope you guys are in good health. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Today, you guys, we are going to do something a little bit different than what we normally do. The Bible said, ask, you shall receive. And today, you guys, is the day. In this video, by popular request, I am going to talk to you about my hair. Let me show it to you so you guys can see it. There it is. All right, so I have to scoop down so you guys can see it. This is the hair, you guys. Many of you had questions about it. You wanted to know about the hair. You also wanted to know about the color. So today we are going to do just that. Not only I am going to talk about the hair and the color, I am going to do a full review on the hair. I'm going to tell you the good, the bad, where I purchased the hair from. I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about the company as well. So this way, if you choose to purchase the hair, you will make an informed decision on what you are getting. Just before I do that, let me take a moment to say welcome to the Glam Squad family. To all of you who are here for the first time, I upload home decor and DIY videos. But today, baby, we are talking about hair. If you are into these things, I am asking you to please hit your subscribe button, turning on notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload a new video. And to all of you, my returning Glam Squad, thank you so much. I love you all. As you can see in the title, I own the hair for 10 months. It is the undetectable HD Lace Wig by Love Me Hair. It is a body wave, and this is what it looks like in its natural state. It is a very beautiful unit, you guys. It is a 13 by 4 lace front wig, meaning it's 13 inches going this way in the perimeter, going this way, and 4 inches of parting. The hair came in 150 density, and the cap size is the regular cap size. It was not custom. I think it's more between a medium and a large, somewhere in between. Okay, so once again, this is the hair, 26 inches, and this is what 26 inches give me when I am sitting down. Let me get up so you guys can see. This is 26 inches from the back, and I am 5'6". Let's talk about the good. The hair is beautiful. The hair is very soft, wet quality, one of the best quality hair I've ever owned. It does not tingle, no tingling at all. As you can see, even with the color, I can run my finger through it with no problem, no tingling, which is a good thing. I haven't had a hair that tangles in such a long time. I don't even know if they sell hair that tangles anymore, but I thought I would share that with you since I don't know what's out there. Okay, shedding is very minimal. I would say 2 to 3 strands of hair when I comb it. To me, that's no shedding, because even your own natural hair would shed few strands when you comb it. As you can see, it takes the color really nicely, and the hair can hold curls. Like I curled my hair early this morning around 9 o'clock, and right now it's 5:45, and you can see it's still holding most of the curls, so that's pretty good. I do loose curls. I don't do anything tight. I don't have any spray in there to hold the curls. When it comes to the lace, so far this is the best lace I've ever had. When I first received the hair, the lace was so close to my scalp. It was like ridiculous, you guys. The lace is very, very thin. From far, really resembles scalp. Even now, you can see this lace is 10 months old. I wash it so many times, I cut it, do so many things with it. You can still see it is really beautiful. So the hair can pre-plug. Now, I did have to remove a few strands out to make it more to my liking, but it wasn't a lot, so which is pretty good. And when it comes to the knots, they also can pre-bleach. I did not have to bleach the knots at all. All I did was add a little bit of powder, and that's it. The hair was ready to go. The hair is very low maintenance. You don't really have to do much. Just wash it from time to time to keep it moisturized and put a little bit of oil on it, and that's it. I went to the pool with the hair, and the hair holding up pretty nicely. And then I went to the beach with the hair when I went to Dominican Republic at the beginning of the year. I have gone to the beach with the hair twice. I have gone to the pool multiple times, and the hair is still intact and it's not dry. It's still very, very pretty. And my Mexico trip, I had posted some pictures on Instagram. If you are not following me, you gotta go there and check me out. The company is very fast. Although they are all the way in China, but they are very quick. Normally, if I order my hair on Monday, I would probably get my hair on Wednesday or Thursday the latest. That's pretty good. Now I'm gonna talk to you about some of the things I do not like about the hair and the company. Remember I told you guys the cap is between a medium and a large. For me, I have really small head, so the cap is a little bit big for me. It's not so big going this way, but going down this way. So I always have extra wig left, extra cap, should I say, left. So because of that, I have to tuck it in the nape like this, like when you tucked in something, to make it attached to my hair, so I don't feel like something is hanging in the back of my hair. I wish they had given me options to select different cap sizes. Other things I don't like about the hair. The density of the hair is 150 density. Now, if you are into natural look, 150 density hair from Love Me Hair will be perfect for you. It looks very natural, but if you like big bouncy hair, just what you're looking at right now, 150 density hair from Love Me Hair will not do it. What I had to do, I had to order, because I'm used with them, I knew what to expect, so I had purchased an extra pack of hair from Love Me Hair, same style, which is the body wave, to put on it to make it fuller. So this is not 150, this is way more than 150 density. So if you're thinking of buying this hair and you want it as full as I have it right now, you have to order an extra pack of hair. When I ordered my hair, I ordered 26 inches. However, when I received the hair, it was 22 inches. Eventually, I had to fight with them. Not a big fight, just a little fight, back and forth, and taking pictures, videos, sending it to them, showing them that the hair was only 22 inches. And then they gave me the difference between the 22 and the 26 inches. A few emails, I would say maybe like 5 to 6 emails before I actually got my money back. Thank God I ordered the extra pack of hair, so it worked perfectly when I put it in there. So I still got the 26 inches that I wanted, so everything works out for me. And that's all the cons I have to say about the hair. It's mostly positive, and I have to say it's one of my favorite hair so far that I have owned. It's one of the best quality, not only because of the lace. As you can see, this is 10 months old and it's still good, and the hair quality, to me, it's a really, really good unit. I'm also going to talk to you about the color, since I think that's what prompted you to talk to me about the hair, because I have been wearing this hair in the channel multiple times, but the minute you guys saw me with the color, you started asking questions about it. The natural color of the hair is what you're looking at down here. This is the natural color of the hair. So basically it is like an off blackish color, more like between a 1B and a number 2. To put the color on the hair, I use the BW2 powder by Claywall. You guys see that? Okay, this is it. And I use 2 developer. I use the Salon Care 30 developer, and I also use a 40 developer by Salon Care. So this is the color, you guys. It is very pretty. So on top here, where you see it's a little bit more golden brownish color, I use the 40 developer, and let me see if I can find a stone for you. And down here where you see it's more of a brunette color, I use the 30 developer. If you want me to show you a step-by-step on how I color this hair, I was not able to show it to you because this hair has already been colored, so I did not record my process because I was not planning a hair review type of color in the comment section. I will do a different video showing you exactly how I color the hair. You can get these at any beauty supply store, especially at Sally's, or you can also get them on Amazon. I will leave the link for you guys below. And please remember to wear gloves and mask if you are using these, because the smell is very, very strong. To keep the hair bouncy and shiny, I don't really do much. So I use the Hussey shampoo and conditioner. That's what I use to wash the hair. And I also use my argan oil. I love this thing, you guys. This is my Ride and Die from Amazon. You take this size, you don't need a lot, and you put it in your hair. I like it because it keeps the hair bouncy. It does not drain the hair. That will not drain. It doesn't make the hair, keeps the hair looks full and bouncy. It provides some great shine. This is the curling iron that I have been using to curl the hair. Whenever you guys see it on the channel, I use this curling iron. I also got that from Amazon. Oh, I'll tell you how much it costs. I'm gonna put the price for you on the screen because I don't remember the price. These are all the need to know, I think, about the hair. Guys, if you want more of this video, I want you to type up hair review in the comment section. Other things, if you guys want to see how I install this hair, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, there are so many videos on YouTube that can teach you exactly how to install a lace front wig. And honestly, these ladies are doing a phenomenal job. However, if you want me to show you how I do my install, type up install in the comment section and I will show you how I did it. I'm not as experienced as the other YouTubers, but I will show you how I do mine and what works for me. Although this channel is about home decor, but it's okay if we share a little bit of hair. It's okay for us to take care of ourselves. It's okay for us to have beautiful glam hair. Our home cannot be the only thing that glam. We want to look glam and our hair needs to look glam as well. I am buying it. I am wearing them. I might as well share my experience with it. So this way, if you guys are going to buy, you can make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of this type of videos, I want you to type up in the comment section hair review. That tells me this is something that you want and you want me to do more of it. I think that's it. Whatever question you have in regards to the hair, please put it down in the comment below. I thank all of you for stopping by. Remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload. I will see you on the next video. I love you always. Bye-bye.